Architects, engineers and students rejoice. It's never been so easy to choose the best laptop for CAD and AutoCAD. That's why we have done the work for you and have selected top 6 amazing laptops for CAD and AutoCAD. Buying the right device for your specific needs is an important and often costly step. So it's important to do your research and for instance, a really powerful GPU is not critical for 2D CAD workflows but may be a benefit for some 3D workflows. So these kind of requirements we have kept in mind and have chosen 6 amazing laptops for CAD and AutoCAD. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description, you can message me there and I will reply you back. MSI Creator Z17, the most powerful pro Windows laptop for CAD and AutoCAD. The MSI Creator Z17 is a large laptop made for professional creatives and it has a lot of power inside with the options up to 64 GB of RAM, oodles of storage and a large bright touchscreen and also the very powerful processor. For most CAD workflows, this laptop may arguably be overkill, but if you need to work on top-end design, especially if you need to add some motion rendering, this MSI will chew it up and grind it into a pulp without breaking a sweat. It certainly melts through anything you throw at it. It sports 100% coverage of DCI-P3 game mode and the touchscreen has a 4096 level pressure sensitivity, and if you want to work directly on the screen, this will give you amazing experience. Buy this amazing machine for its very powerful hardware, large display and 8K video output is possible with this laptop. Links are provided in the description. Dell XPS 15 or Dell XPS 16 or Dell XPS 17. Any of these 3 laptops you can buy, and these laptops are best for CAD and AutoCAD. They come with a big screen. Having a gorgeous large screen with a high resolution can be a great help for using CAD and AutoCAD applications, giving you more room to work and to show off your projects to co-workers and clients. These Dell XPS laptops are worth considering as it packs the fantastic Ultra HD Plus screen with the HDR, which is bright, vibrant and comfortable to work on, and this will definitely give you great experience. This laptop proves a large screen laptop doesn't have to be big and bulky. This is an impressively thin and light laptop with the same attractive design that you can find on the Dell XPS 13 and 13 Plus. But if you need more power, you can opt these laptops, and also they come with a great graphics option. Buy this amazing laptop for its thin and light form factor with a big screen, excellent display for CAD and powerful internals. LG Gram Super Slim. If you need an affordable mid-range laptop that comes with a thin and light design and powerful hardware, then this one is the best one. Thin and light used to mean weak and weighty too, but not these days. LG Gram Super Slim will impress most users. It is light, thin and really nice to look at. The inclusion of the beautiful 15.6-inch OLED display makes this device a joy to look at while working on your design. So while it lacks a discrete graphics card, it will do nicely for the vast majority of CAD workflow. The OLED display, while topping out at full HD resolution, is bright and sharp, and this will definitely give you great CAD using experience. Also, you'll get 16 GB of RAM and fast NVMe SSD, and it packs an incredibly light package that weighs only 990 grams. Buy this amazing laptop for its super lightweight design, great OLED display and good battery life. Acer Swift X16, the best AutoCAD laptop for an affordable price. If a big screen and budget top your list of laptop priorities, the Acer Swift X16 will have a lot of appeal. And if you're just starting out in CAD or 3D modeling work, you will want something super usable that won't break the bank. It manages to offer a big screen and decent power for a very reasonable price, especially now that we are seeing a great price dip in many of the laptops, and this is the cheapest one this fall with the powerful hardware and great display. And battery life is also amazing with this laptop. It can easily give you 10 hours of battery life. Buy this amazing laptop for its big display. It's good for CAD, good selection of ports and good performance for the price. Apple MacBook Pro 16, the newest MacBook Pro, is great laptop for CAD and Autocad. The M3 MacBook Pro is a stellar option for Mac compatible CAD and Autocad softwares. Though the Windows iteration are very easy to use and very close to like it has got so many features, but the Apple version is also good. You can pick between 14-inch and 16-inch versions of MacBook Pro depending on which screen size you want, and you can upgrade to the M3 Max chip if you need supercharged power. You can check out the specification, the price, and your budget will decide what power you are using or you want to use in the laptop. The laptop comes with the M3, M3 Pro, M3 Max, even M2 Pro, M2 Max and M2 are great. But if you need extreme power, go for M3 Pro that comes with a 18-core GPU, and M3 Max comes with a 40-core GPU, and they are very expensive. So buy this amazing laptop for its extreme battery life, extreme power, beautiful big screen, and they are definitely super powerful. Asus ProArt StudioBook OLED, overall the best laptop for AutoCAD, CAD and 3D modeling. Asus ProArt StudioBook OLED is a gorgeous state-of-art 16-inch laptop with a stunning OLED display. Intel's finest 13-inch GPU, Intel's finest 13th generation CPU are powering the laptop, and it also comes with a powerful NVIDIA GPU. It's all wrapped up in a high-quality chassis that's designed for getting serious work done. It includes the configurable ASUS-style rotary control, which is a fantastic asset for CAD workflow, and you will definitely love using all the accessories, the buttons, whatever the laptop offers is just amazing for designing in CAD and AutoCAD. The OLED panel not only supports the touch input but offers 3200 by 2000 pixels, but it also serves up an outstanding 100% coverage of DCI-P3 color space, so it's super accurate too and will present your computer-aided designs in a colored popping details. So these are the 6 amazing laptops for CAD, AutoCAD and 3D modeling. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.